Welcome back to the AutoLooks Tidbit Show. I'm your host, as always, the Doctor to the automotive industry, Mr. Everett J, talking to you today about the brand new Mazda CX-50. Now, why am I so excited about this product? It's essentially just a replacement product for the CX-5. Now, the CX-5 has been around for a long time, and its platform has showed us it is capable and moving Mazda into a more of a premium range. This is one of the two products I considered when I bought my new vehicle last year. Why didn't I go that way? Because the dealership in my city really isn't the best. I dealt with them before with the CX-9, and I preferred to go the Toyota way. Now, not to say the CX-5 had amazing design and handling that I would have loved, but the vehicle became my wife's vehicle, so a RAV4 for her. But the CX-50 right now is moving up the ladder. They're trying to move into a cross-track version of CUVs, an actual capable dirt and slightly rock crawling CUV. And added to this, they're going Jeep-esque by adding flat black designs on the hood. Now, I personally did this to my Kia Borrego this summer because I thought it would look cool and thought putting a brand new Kia logo on a 10-year-old Kia might be kind of neat. Plus, it makes my car even more rare. But Mazda wants to do this for the new CX-50 and their off-road versions. The standard CX-50s for the road won't have these graphics and will be a little toned down from their off-road capabilities or off-road appeal. So it'll be less cross-track and more city-going CUV. Now with this and the CX-30, we're looking forward to seeing how a CX-70 or a CX-90 may be coming into play in the future. Now here's looking at you, Mazda.